Take a deep breath. Let go of every doubt. Feel the calm rising inside you. Today, I trust myself. I trust my heart. I trust my inner wisdom. Every decision I make comes from clarity. I release fear and overthinking. I allow myself to move forward with peace. I no longer second-guess myself. I know that I am guided by something greater, my intuition, my truth. Each choice I make aligns me with my purpose. I am becoming more confident with every decision. I don't need to have all the answers right now. I trust that the path will unfold perfectly in time. Mistakes are just lessons, and lessons are gifts. Every experience helps me grow stronger and wiser. I listen to my inner voice. It speaks quietly, but I can hear it clearly. I am calm. I am centered. I am capable. Even when others don't understand, I honor my own truth. I am free to choose what's best for me. I believe in my judgment. I believe in my timing. I believe in my strength. I forgive myself for past choices. They made me who I am today, wise, grounded, and strong. Each breath I take brings clarity. Each step I take builds trust. I release the need for perfection. I embrace progress, intuition, and flow. I am learning to lead myself with love, not fear. I am aligned with the wisdom of my higher self. Every decision I make today supports my peace, my growth, and my purpose. I trust myself completely. I trust myself unconditionally. I am safe in my choices. I am guided by calm and wisdom. I trust myself to make the right decisions, always. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I trust myself to make the right decisions. Let this truth settle into your body. Let it become your energy. You are the author of your path. You are the calm within every storm. You are the wisdom you've been searching for. Trust yourself. You already know the way.